Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can add the vinyl record sticker on your Instagram story. It's quite simple to do, so just follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. So the first thing you have to make sure is that your application, your Instagram application is updated, and once you have made sure of that, you can go ahead and open up the application. Once you open up the app, this is the home page. Just click on your story on the top left corner. And once you do that, you will see this feature where it says music. It's on the top right corner. You can see the new blue icon on the top. Just click on that and select a song. Once you have selected the song, you will see that the vinyl record sticker is automatically added. All you have to do now is to resize it and put it wherever you want, and you can go ahead and post the story. The other method is to select an image or a video from your camera roll and adding the vinyl record sticker there. So once you select the media, click on the music icon, click on the music that you want to add. Once you have done that, you will see that the vinyl record sticker has been added. If it is not, it might be in this mode right here. All you have to do is scroll right or left in order to select the vinyl record sticker. Once you have done that, you can resize it. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can add the vinyl record sticker on your Instagram story. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.